Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, it's already for 450 subscribers. Guys, just don't give up to subscribe my YouTube channel. Kailangan ko para pang-buy ko yan ng tuition fee. Pang-buy ko sa bagong school na ititik sa Lux Beauty for my course. Kailangan to para makakuha ako ng opportunity para makuha ng sarili kong opportunity. Alam ko na gusto ko ito mag-vlog as always, pero bawal muna akong mag-vlog kasi pimple issue. Pero don't worry guys, nakukuha na ako ng mga ibang content. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel guys, please. Kasi pag mawala yung mga subscribers ko, mawawala din kayo. Yep, guys, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel guys. Okay guys, don't give up on me guys. I'll try to heal my acne. Andito pa yung pimple ko. Basta guys, please subscribe and support me guys. Okay, see you guys on my next channel. Sa next video ko, magkukon pa ako ng ibang, mag-iisip ako ng mga contents, ng mga anong gagawin ko. So yeah, just stick it, like and subscribe. Yeah, bye.